Really cool to see these grapes finally starting to ripen. I haven't eaten these grapes in years because the birds always get them, but this year I've put up a net, didn't even tie it together, and it really did help keep the birds away. Of course, we're still getting ants and bees that like to eat them, but you know, I've got plenty to share, and they're part of the ecosystem too. They are really sweet. See, that's what I mean, that was bird insect damage. But, you know, they leave plenty for me too. Loaded with nutrients. Also a lot of nutrition in the leaves. Might pick up this small bunch here. We'll go for a bit of a walk. See if I can zoom this out. Yeah. Wow. Mango's starting to really nicely leaf out now. I think we've got pretty good weather to really help this along. And I believe there's even potential to get one more growth spurt after this, but I'm not sure. See, I recently pruned this Tegasasti back because this wasn't getting enough light to bud out yet. So I'm not too sure about mulberry trees yet. I know they're meant to have 2 crops. I see a couple berries there, but I'm not too sure how you're meant to prune them or whatever to ensure that crop comes in. This is an ideal climate for a cherimoya, which is consistently ranked among fruit lovers' top 5, top 3 fruits of all time. What do you think? I'm hoping to get some fruit off this. Should try them before the winter time. Wow. They're very small this year because there was not much water. Really, I should thin them out if I want to get a better harvest, but yeah, there's just so many on here. Very drought hardy, cold hardy, sunlight hardy, very vigorous, very prolific. What more can you ask for? Delicious as well. Good sweetener. Good for adding to smoothies and stuff to sweeten it. And also to help digestion. Couple beautiful apples here. Whoa, beautiful colors. Truly are. Nature makes such beautiful things. So wintertime's more like lots of greens, lots of herbs, lots of herbal tea. Summer's just fruit cleanse, heaps of fruit. Wow. Everyone should plant one of these. This one seems pretty good. we're going to have a gigantic apricot tree right here. And then through there, we have a nice big comfrey and a longan that's beginning to form. Of course, that won't take its full shape till a few years from now, but that's just establishing at the moment. Needs a little bit of care, a little bit of love. And then through there onwards, you might be able to see the starfruit tree that's also establishing right there. And then past that is that fig tree. And so we got a nice row of really awesome establishing trees here. Behind me, obviously, the plum. And then we got an overstory right there, a native tamarind tree. And I did see those wild plums growing. Right there, there's 3 of them. I grafted the one on the left here with the plum variety behind me. And so we got another plum tree growing there, wild, volunteer. Little bee. Trying to get in for some reason. I love growing trees. It's a really spiritual thing to do. Really shamanic thing to do. Really grounding, connecting, philosophical, scientific, spiritual, artistic way to channel your energy with a huge return on investment. Fresh oxygen, fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, herbs, recreational. This lemon myrtle, I really want it to grow because it's a beautiful tree with beautiful functional leaves that taste delicious. And you know, that's also establishing here, but it's been there for, this is its 2nd year now. I believe this grass is stealing the nutrients, and that's what I gotta get rid of. I don't know, I'm still new to this. I don't know what ripens when. I'm learning as I go along. But it's so good to see all this life after this, you know. This place was so close to death, really. It's coming back. That's some form of rock melon. Check out Anarchy Eden. Anarchy in Eden. That is the goal. That's humanity's divine dharma. It's written in the stars. It's aligning with what reality is in every single way. To create an incredibly harmonic paradise that provides everything we ever wanted and more. Check it out. And together, we will rule the galaxy. Well, I don't know about that. We'll all be rulers of ourselves, and we are galaxies. And in us is the Stargate to infinity.